how to fix Zoom login error on your PC. In order to fix the Zoom app's login error on PC, depending upon whether you're trying to log in from your website or from the app, the first thing you can definitely check out is your internet connection. Just tap on your control center and make sure you're connected to a proper internet connection. If you're trying to log in from browser, simply clear the cache files of the browser by clicking the three dots from the top right hand side and going to settings. From the top left, going to privacy and security, followed by delete browsing data. Set this to all time, by the way, and just select the option cached images and files only and leave everything unchecked. Then once done, click on the delete data button and hopefully that would help you solve the problem. If not, you can simply try to check your login information and ensure that they're correct, because sometimes due to an incorrect credentials also, you could potentially be facing the issue. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and to subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.